from MS student, Department of English, Maharaja Krishna Kumar CG, Bhavnagar University. We are celebrating Virtual Teachers Day 2025 and I'm dealing with the topic Ode to a Nightingale by John Keats.
So let's start. Ode to a Nightingale by John Keats. About the poet John Keats. Born at 1795 to 1821, a romantic poet, died young at 25 age, suffered from illness, tuberculosis, obsessed with the beauty, mortality, and art. Ode to a Nightingale reflects his personal pain and longing for an escape. Opening mood. Poem opens with the headache and numbness. Compare it to effort of homelock or opener. Tone. Dramatic, heavy and sorrowful. The Nightingale. Addressed as a light wind direct to the trees. A mythical forest spirit, symbols of eternal song, freedom from human suffering, pure beauty of nature. Poet's desire, wishes for a draught of vintage wine. Wine symbols of escape, joy, and the inspiration. Want to leave behind weariness, fever, fret of humanity life. Escape through poetry. Chooses the wings of poesy, means poetry instead of wine. Poetry. Higher spiritual escape. Imagination help him enter the bird's internal world. Meditation of death. Wishes to chase upon the midnight with no pain. Death appears peaceful, not fearful. Nightingale's song makes death feel almost beautiful. Immortality of song. The bird's song is immortal and timeless, heard across the ages by knights, peasants, and the wanderers. Mention biblical Ruth, who heard the same song in sorrow. Imaginary and symbols. The vine represent as escape and the inspiration. Night, mystery, death, and the dreams. Bird song represent immortality of art. Finding rose and youth represent as the transition of human life. Literary devices which was used in this poem are imaginary. The blushful hypocrisy, embedded darkness, illusion, the Greek mythology, and biblical. Contrast, human suffering versus internal sound. Tone shifts from sorrow, scarcity, and doubt. Ending of the poem. The bird flies away. Poet is left in doubt. Was it vision or a waking dream? Show the tension between reality and imagination. Key themes: mortality versus immortality, escapism, nature's internal beauty versus human suffering, and last, power of art and song. Conclusion. Ode to a Nightingale, meditation of life, death, and art. The Nightingale symbolizes internal beauty. It balances the dream and the reality, leaving us in wonder. Thank you all of you for your valuable participating. I hope you all of you learn very well and understood the poem.